Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Rush County, northeastern Decatur County, until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:52 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northwest of Lake Santee, or 16 miles northwest.
That's for my lake. That's for my lake.
25 miles per hour.
It just said near Lake Santee.
60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail.
It says near Lake Santee.
The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected.
Holy crap.
Damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted
Yeah.
include Milroy,
It says
Clarksburg, Lake
7 miles northwest of Lake Santee, or 60 miles northwest of Batesville. Southeast, moving southeast. That's
136 and 143. For your
That's about 7 miles from our lake.
On the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana, Decatur, and Rush. Flood advisory in effect